Say you are looking for a service or a product and you find them on some kind of social media platform. So what do you look for? I am so happy to share that Wix is collaborating with me on this video. They are right on time. This is exactly what I need to be doing in my life, and I want to share this with you. In this video, I want to share 5 reasons why you should have a website and the solution that I chose and why. Okay, so let's talk about this. Say you are looking for a service or a product and you find them on some kind of social media platform, regardless of what that is. So what do you look for? For me, I can only speak for myself, but for me, I'm looking at their bio and I want to see that they have a website. I want to see that they have credibility. I want to know that they have a presence on the internet. And I want to know that there are other people who have worked with them in the past. They have given reviews. They are sharing their work. If I don't find any additional information about them, I'm not sure that I would hire them. How about you? Based on social media, would you hire them for a service or a product? Sometimes it's okay. It depends on the price. Maybe you're okay with taking a risk if there's a lot of people who might have reviews and things like that. But I question it. I would question it if I couldn't find a presence online outside of their social media. I also want to see a centralized place. I want to see a place where I can go to learn more about them. I want to be able to have a one-stop shop in learning what they are all about, what are all the services or products that they have. You know, like what's the process, what's the frequent asked questions, you know, get some photos of, you know, work they've done in the past, their payment plans or prices that they have, you know, all of that all in one place. So having a website, that person that's trying to find out about you are able to focus on you if you have a website. You're no longer on a social media platform where you are competing with other people for attention. They are coming to your website, so they're going to spend more time focusing in on you and what you have to offer. They're going to be more interested in you. That gives you more opportunity to get that sale. Whatever you are providing, whether that's a service or product, that gives you more opportunity to get them to buy in on what you have to offer. And they'll probably come back because now they know where to go. They will know about you and they will know if you are going to a different platform. They'll know about, you know, streams that you might have, where your videos are, because they have a centralized place where they can see all of that information. I've heard a lot of people talk about this, and that is control. Say something goes wrong, you did something that you didn't mean to do, and you're off that platform. What do? You just lost all of your followers, people who are potential buyers. So you don't have that website where you can keep in contact, keep engaged with the people that you have connected with, that people that know what you have to offer, what services you have, what products you're selling. You have the control. You control the look of it. You control your contact list. You have all of that information because you don't have to, you know, call customer service to try to get that. It's already there for you. If you want to make modifications, you can do that on the fly. You just have more control, and that's what I want. You will have the opportunity to put keywords on your pages to allow, you know, the crawlers, website crawlers that Google uses. You're able to rank on searches on Google because that's like the main platform where people go to find out how to do something or where to get products. If you come up, that's organic reach. So you have control over that by putting in specific keywords to, you know, find that target audience that you're trying to bring to your website, that traffic that you're trying to attract. So I use Wix for this. I wanted a centralized place where I can have all of the products and services that I'm selling, as well as I have the opportunity to scale. So I can start with maybe a simple page, and then I can scale over time to cater to whatever needs that I'm trying to give or reach I'm trying to have with my audience. The reason why I went with Wix was because of the functionality. They have so many features that I can utilize on my website. I'm able to drag and drop and get the look that I desire without using code. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of what I'm talking about on the back end so you can get an idea of what to expect when you start creating your website. Also, I'm going to post a tutorial soon on how you can create your own website step by step. So I'm not gonna leave you hanging. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer it. I am here with you. We are doing this together. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you on the back end exactly what I'm talking about. Here's the dashboard. This is my site that I created recently. There's analytics to keep you informed of who is coming to your website. There's a content management section where you can keep up with all of your contacts, people who have subscribed to learn more about what you have to offer. Now going into the editor, I'm going to show you me adding a banner to my website. I'm clicking on the banner that I want to use, and I'm just going to drag it up exactly where I want it placed on my website. How cool is that? I like the fact that I can put whatever I want on my page and I'm not restricted based on guidelines. That's what you have to deal with by being on social media platforms. You're not always able to say or do exactly what you want to do. Guys, I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you are ready to take that next step, be sure to click on the link down in the description box below so you can get started. Also, be on the lookout for the tutorial on how to build your online store step by step. I'm going to take you from beginning to end on how to do it. All right, until next time, have a great week. Bye.